how to switch Roblox account in phone and PC. So first, in PC right here, just need to tap on the gear icon or click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Then go to log out right here at the bottom of this menu. And just wait for it to load. And once you're logged out, just simply log into Roblox. So if it shows sign up right here, or if it shows like this, just simply tap on the login on the top right to redirect you to the login screen, and just simply put in your username and password to log in. And for phone, what you need to do is just open up your Roblox app. So go to Roblox, then just tap on the three dot on the bottom right corner, then scroll down to the very bottom and you will see the log out button also, and just confirm it. Wait for it to load, then tap on log in again and just put on your details to log in. And that's how you basically log in or switch account on mobile and PC.